Chotu McFly, say hi. Hi. Hi family, say hi. Hey guys, welcome back to AJ's World. Chotu McFly, say hi. Say hi family, welcome back to AJ's World. Today mommy and I'm going to make a video together for the first time. Okay, the smaller one. Oh. Ta-da! Hey guys, welcome back to AJ's World. I hope you all are doing great, right? Yeah, I'm also doing fantastic and I'm really excited for today's video because I'm going to be doing something which I really like. Guess what? Opening the parcel. So I have ordered some products from Meesho and from Urbanic and I have finally received everything I ordered, so we are going to start opening. Okay, so yeah, let's start opening the parcel. Okay, let's start with this one. So like I told you guys, I love online shopping and most of all I love shopping in Meesho because they have really good products and the price are reasonable. So the first product is hair wrap turban bath towel. Okay, so you don't need to use towel to dry your hair. Oh, when you have this, I'm sure you guys have seen this in advertisement, right? So you just have to wrap your hair like this. Ding! That's it. So I got this one for 140. It's just one piece and I got this for 140. Tawala is some dry ball ngai dalo na chichu omle phatna phatni oh, so let's go for the second product. What is this? Okay, this one is microfiber wash basin hanging hand towel. Okay, this one is for kitchen. Hanging hand towel. Okay. Okay. Two. Kitchen na tong holding up na phat sum hi put thi na put thi got na hi na. So this one, the third product, this apron with oven glove and hot pot. So we're gonna see this. So it's a pack of what? So I bought this product for 242. It's a pack of 4. Okay, this one is hot pot. Like when you're cooking, you use this hot pot to open the bubel and mebel. Okay, bubel and mebel hon nights ihut na ke hong palo na ihut. And this one is this one is oven glove, and this too is. So yeah, it's a waterproof apron. Let me show you guys. It's a waterproof apron. Oh my god. Nice one. No, waterproof apron here. It's 2 of them. Okay, with this 2, buy 2 for 2. Okay, so I am really excited this one. So this one is Zozi Polycotton 3 bed sheet. 3 bed sheet he is ana ko ham tile 633. Okay, so I bought this 3 king size bed sheet for just 633 from Meesho. Okay, wow. We got to open this one, man. Just look at this. It's beautiful, man. It's beautiful. It's a pack of 3. Thum hiya na tinta ase na 633 wa kinishimo Meesho de na. So if you guys want to see how big this is, I am going to open now. Okay. I am going to open just one, okay, so that we all can see how big it is. Oh my god. Wow. Pillow cover. 3 bed sheet with 2 pillow cover each. That also for 633. Isn't it so cheap? And the product is amazing. Like, the material is really good. The material, I did not expect this. Oh my god, it's really beautiful. It is just as in the picture. Spirit. It's really good, man. So, thum hin na. 3 piece ahin pillow ni to thachi hin na 633 akacho hin meesho apat na size ang alin a material long a man to kitu in apain na. It's worth the price. Oh my god, I'm sweating. Like, it's really hot again. In Kerala, it's really hot. So we're going to open the last product, which is from Urbanic. It's a denim pants. Alright. So I bought this for 1,500. Oh my god. Oh, this looks nice. Chihi denim pants. Urbanic website na pana kachohin. Oh my god, this looks really big, man. Lin balta kay dinga. Oh no! I've ordered my size, man, 26. And this is really big for me. I think I need to try this. Let me show you guys. All right.
Leave me, baby. Don't wanna fall again. This just hurt me. Just think about it, but you hold me like you don't wanna break. I need some space. Just think about it, Maybe separate is better. I will love it till
Stay calm, Chutu. We're making video now. Stay calm, Chutu. So guys, those are the products that I received from Meesho and Urbanic, which I wanted to open with you guys. Ade, it's scratching me. Ade, ay Chutu, why are you scratching mommy na? Ayo! Ayo, Chutu, come here, baby. Come here now. That's our Chutus Ashley baby. So overall, I'm happy with the products that I received from Meesho and Urbanic. I am really satisfied with my online shopping. If you guys want to shop from Meesho and Urbanic, I will paste the link on the description. You guys can check out again. So that's all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Till then, bye bye. Love you all.